Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is uh, if happiness was the national currency, what kind of work would you make rich? If happiness was the national currency, what kind of work would make you rich? When you ask this question, this question provokes you to think beyond the what kind of work that you do day on day basis. So, in today's world, everything is measured in terms of money. You want to buy something, you have to pay. So, what happens is we happen to optimize for it, and we don't realize that our happiness is a bigger part or it's bigger than money. If you ask me that if happiness was the currency, what kind of work I would do? At this moment of time, it's very difficult to answer for me, but I will try to answer in a way. The work which makes me happy, there can be multiple other things. One is that seeing other people's progress or creating impact in others' lives. This is one kind of work that makes me insanely happy, and whenever I try to come across this thing or I try to contribute in it. Second type of thing which truly makes me happy is that just trying to progress over what I am today. So I always try, uh, I'm always looking for how can I improve further. How can, for example, I'm trying to optimize time or how to read better, how to learn better. These kinds of things also truly makes me happy. AP. So, so now we know uh, this question is asking us to reflect on what kind of work that we are doing, and it may be contributing in terms of money, but may not be contributing in terms of happiness. So, when you ask this question, you start reflecting on it and trying to, and you become aware of what kind of work that you are doing. And the message that I trying to impart through this table topic is that Mm, sometimes just reflect on what kind of work that you are doing. Is it aligning with your values? Is it making you happy? I'm not saying to just throw away everything and just follow your passion. That might be very bad advice. But what I'm trying to say is reflect upon it and trying to change and try to shift your work towards whatever that makes you happy. Thank you. Over to you.